Is it?
Yeah, it's too dark.
That's weird. All right, ladies, want to share with you one of our family favorites, cilantro lime chicken power bowl. This is one that all my kids like, so I hope you give it a try. Here are all the ingredients I use, and double check the description to get the full recipe. Today's recipe is for 4 servings, but you can always double up the recipe to have leftovers or for meal prep. And when it comes to the garlic and onions, if you want to reduce how much you're putting in the blender, that's fine. We just love the flavor. And I'm using 4 garlics here, 4 garlic cloves, but you can definitely just do like 2. Garlic powder works too, but when it's fresh, it's always better. Y'all, can you believe I've had this Vitamix since I was pregnant with my firstborn Samuel, and he's 13 now. And I think we're coming to an end because this year it started making some new sounds. But I'm gonna keep blending till it stops. It's good. And I'm gonna poke the chicken. That way it really marinates well. Then I'll add saran wrap and let it sit in the fridge, let it marinate for at least 30 minutes up to 3 or 4 hours. I've never let it marinate overnight, so I wouldn't know if that would hold up okay. And then you can either bake, air fry. I like to grill it. I'm using cast iron, so it's not like outside grill, but it's great. And my favorite roasted corn, Trader Joe's. You can add corn on the side, you don't have to. And you can add basmati rice or cauliflower to keep it low carb. Of course, avocado is just an extra to the dish with some cilantro topping. And enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give this a try. Also, have you tried something similar to this at home? This is a Chipotle style chicken. So let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for some new delicious and nutritious recipes, be sure to head over to ChristGlorifiedFitness.com. The link is also in the description, along with today's recipe. Also, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, like, check out some of the workout videos on this channel, all faith-based. And I hope you have a good rest of your day.